Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to change text into binary and then we're going to save it to a file on our desktop. So let's get started, shall we? So I might let's have a look. Create my first function called text to binary. Okay, so I'm going to create a path here which is going to be my desktop. So that's going to be C users mark desktop. Okay, so that's my desktop path. That's not your desktop path. You will have to find out your desktop path, because if you just type that in you'll get an error. os.chdr change directory, so we're going to change directory into this path here, and we're going to name this text input. I'm going to assign it to input here, and we're simply going to tell the user to enter text. So the user will enter the text into there. And now we're going to create a variable called binary output. This is where we output the binary, and this is where the magic does. We join it together. Dot join. And then we have to format it. And then we use ORD here for the character, which is char. And then we'll do this special encoding 08B. And then we simply go through it for character in text input. Okay. Looks like just shrink that down a little bit. Looks like I might have a little bit of an error there. Yes, I do. It's just I forgot to wrap that. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to print out, well, first of all, we're just going to tell the user what their text was. So your text was. And then we're just going to do what the text input was, what they entered into the text box. So text input. So we're going to show them what they typed in first of all, and then we're going to do the binary output. So that's print binary output is, and simply the binary output. Okay, so we've done that. So basically what we've done is we've changed the path here to the desktop. We created a variable called text input, so we grab the input of the user, so the user enters the text in here, and we've converted it into binary, and now we're telling the user what they typed into the text input box, and we're printing out the binary content. So now all we have to do is to save it to a file, and we're going to tell the user what we're doing. So we just tell the user saving to txt file. Okay, saving it to a txt file, and then we're going to just add this time module here. So Whoa, 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 whoa! Felix! Felix the cat. Sorry about that, everybody. That's Felix. Say hello, Felix. You stay down there for a little bit. Okay, I digress. Okay, so we're going to import the time module here. So, whoa! Import time. Felix just coming along to say hello there. So, we're going to do time dot sleep, which is going to be 1. So we're going to pause it for 1 second, and then we're going to create the file. And we do this with open, and we're going to give the file a name. So I'm going to call it here. Ooh. binary.txt, and we're going to write to it. We're going to use this flag here, WB, so we're going to write to it as binary, as file object, and then file object dot write, and that's going to be binary output dot encode. Okay, now all we have to do is tell the user that where the file is, print file. In fact, I'm going to format that string there. I'm going to use the F string. File saved here. That's going to be path. Okay. So let's just save that and let's just call it, shall we? So we call it by saying text to binary. Save that, run the program. Okay, let's just make it a bit bigger. Enter the text. So I'm just going to enter, this is some text. Hit enter. Okay, so it's told us your text was, this is some text, and now it's converted it into binary for us. I'll just zoom out there. There's lots of zeros and ones there. And it's told us save in txt file, so the file saved here on the desktop. And let's go and have a look, see if it's saved the file. So it's here. Let's open it, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.